Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to Crocs for sending me a couple Bae Clogs. Really excited to cover this Croc rendition of the Bae Clog for the very first time on the channel. I have it in the white colorway as well as the milk chocolate color scheme. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Today we're going to be talking about the Crocs Bae Clog. This is the first time we've covered this specific clog on the channel, so super excited to go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style these two classy looking colors. Then we'll conclude with where you can find these and how much they're selling for on the retail market. Let's jump right into it. For those of you who've been following my channel for a while, you know that I absolutely love fitting in different types of styles of Crocs into the channel. I just think that Crocs is one of those companies that just does such a fun job with really giving us fun, cool, classy looking clogs. And I feel like this specific clog is great for a little additional height. As you can see, there's a little bit of a boost on here, 2.4 inches to be exact. I also brought out two of my different Simone Rocha pairs. So this is a completely different clog. As you can see, there's no strap, which one of the parts I do love about this is it does have the strap. So if you feel like you need a little bit more security on your clog, you have this strap here, which is quite nice. But this is a different clog. So my 711 was probably the first clog I had that had some height on it, and that was the Mega Crush clog. That is a very, very tall pair of Crocs. And then I also have the Siren clog. So these two are the Siren clogs. So as you can see, the difference here is there is a little bit more height on the Siren clog, except that this has more of a kind of hill looking format and mold to it, where this one just has a baby little gap underneath, so not as much of a heel, but a lot easier to walk in. But I feel like if you're somebody who's looking for a type of footwear to add some additional height, these are going to give you 2.4 inches. And I do think that these look really good on foot. I know that these two colorways are very simplistic, but you can style these with some really fun gibbets, which I also love that there are 34 holes that you can actually put gibbets on. So lots of different holes to utilize in order to really style and make these fun. But even if you just want to keep these pretty simple and plain, you can do that as well. I do think that they look very good on their own, but of course it's always fun to add some really cool gibbets to these, and I think that these two colorways are great options. So again, this is the white colorway, this is the milk chocolate. I do love chocolatey tones right now. I feel like this is a great neutral all year round. As far as white goes, you can't go wrong with this, though this could get a little dirtier easily. As you can kind of see, my Simone Rochas are already a little dirty, and I really need to wipe those off and clean them off. But as far as the look and feel of this, the top, as you can see, this just kind of looks like a basic classic clog. The only key difference again from that is that you're getting this nice kind of additional height added, which with this heel and this upper on the upper of the midsole, you're getting that 2.4 inch incline. So really nice. As far as the bottom goes too, this is just fully covered in white, and then we've got some Crocs branding on the bottom. As far as size and fit goes, I go half a size down in Crocs since these are in full size ranges. So I went with a size 7, and I feel like this fits me perfectly. I do have high arch narrow feet, so do take that in consideration when deciding on which size range will work best for you. All right, now let's jump into styling. Again, I just think that these look really good on foot, and especially as we're getting into warmer seasons, I wanted to kind of give you some nice warmer options for the styling segment. So for the first look, I decided to style this milk chocolatey brown colorway with a nice ribbed top that kind of matched the chocolatey hue of this specific clog. And then I wore a simple, just off-white kind of ivory denim maxi skirt. I do think maxi skirts will go really well with this, just to kind of take away from how chunky the base of this is. I also feel like wide width pants go really well with these clogs if you're not feeling skirts and you want to do more of a pant look.
It's the future tonight. My memories are running backwards, and I can't keep the picture straight. You sang the Beatles song Blackbird. I fell in love on that first date. When you crashed the car, knew you were the one.
For the second look, I decided to style the white pair with some simple, just white denim pants and a nice flowy white top. I feel like all white is just a very great monochromatic way to look refreshing and stylish in the springtime and the summertime.
Haunting me in my dreams. I can't stop, you can't send light back to the sun. It's meant to be, it's meant to be. Our love belongs to the stars. Our love, it's the future tonight.
And then for the last and final look, I wanted to dress this pair up with a nice white maxi dress that had kind of a floral print to it. Again, I think all white looks just are very classy, especially for the warmer seasons.
See the connection between every star. Colorful patterns stitched to your heart. It's already written, it's down to the hour. Sun, moon, stardust. Love is the power. Love is the power. Love is the power. Love is the power. Love.
$65. So if you are in the market for an affordable pair of footwear and you have yet to try any of the Crocs out and you're looking for something that's going to give you some additional height but also provide some nice comfort, this is a clog you should try. So again, these are called the Bae Clogs, and I think that any colorway that they have are great options. I decided to go with the milk chocolate tone and the white tone, which I'm super ecstatic about because I think that these you can wear all season long. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you have not already. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.
So everything we've